We serve a God ongenelelayo, uNkulunkulu that intervenes. Ofika esimeni bese lo nkulunkulu eyangena ebonakale. Wafika amadoda amathathu esithandweni somlilo wangena, lo nkulunkulu wabonelela. Ngoba uNkulunkulu obonelelayo esimeni zethu, uNkulunkulu that intervenes ezimene sidlula kuzona. Ngike ngambona engenelela in my life ngoba uNkulunkulu ongenelelayo. Ngiyazi nakuwena mhlambe kuke kwenzeka wangenelela esimeni sakho, wangenelela empilweni yakho. Ngiyacela namhlanje sishare that testimony ukuthi ngike ngambona lo nkulunkulu engenelela esimeni sami. Ngike ngambona engena wayiziveza uNkulunkulu esimene engangibhekene naso. I remember in 2012 ngangisahlala eStenga when I was still young. In 2012 ngingasebenzi, ngase ngiphelele umsebenzi ngesenawo nomsebenzi, and I remember I was serving inyanga yokugcina ngasenayo even nemali yokukhokha rent. Everything was upside down, everything was not in line. It was painful. Kwakubuhlungu ngendlela emangalisayo. I had no one to go to. Lapho I just graduated a university with my certificate and my qualifications, but I was sitting in a room engenawo umbhede. Ngihlele endlini one room. Endlini yami ngisho nekhetting anginalo, ngiyangivale ngoplastic omnyama ewindini lami. I had nothing to eat. Ngase ngibona ukuthi nemanga kuphela lenyanga angisenayo even nanemali yokukhokha rent yalenyanga. Things were upside down. Ngangenakho ngisho nanokudla. I remember ukuthi I would spend isikhathi ngihlale ngihambe ngiyongena emobeni ngiyodla umoba ngoba I had no food to eat. Everything was upside down. Ngidla umoba. I remember ukuthi kwaze kwabamnyama even nasemehlweni because I had too much sugar levels in my body because ngangidla into eyodwa. Kunzima, isimo sishubile. uNkulunkulu engimkhonzayo ngimthandaza ekseni nasemini nantambama, ngithi uNkulunkulu ongenelelayo ngenelela esimeni sami. I remember I was crying, calling embezi. uNkulunkulu kuphi manje ngenelela in my situation. uNkulunkulu enamandla elalela. I remember ukuthi kwase kuphela inyanga with no money to pay for inyanga elandelayo, but there was a guy uNkulunkulu amsebenzisa, uLindo Ngcobo lapho eStenga, and weza kumina wangibuza wathi uhlala lapha inkwanyana. Ngathi you know what Lindo, angisena nendawo yokuhlala ngoba kuzoqala inyanga, I have nowhere to stay. And that young brother wangithatha wahamba nayo ngayohlala kubo, bangidla ngadla kubo, they served me, they gave me everything. That was God intervening in my situation. Ngoba lo nkulunkulu esimkhonzayo uyangenelela. Ungenelela ngeindlela ongazazi. I remember the last Sunday kuzophela unyanga, they gave me a chance ukuthi ngishumayele kuleli yabandla. Intshumayelo yami ngiyayikhumbula namhlanje, ngangishumayela ngoJobe 23 verse 10. Ngithe sengivivengile ngiyakuphuma nginjengegolide. And I preached that sermon like nobody's business. In fact, I was preaching to myself. Ngithi lesimo engidlula kusona, ngingenamsebenzi, ngingenamali, ngingenamuntu to tend to. uNkulunkulu uyangivivinya ngizophuma nginjengegolide. And I remember ngalesa sikhathi ngangithi mangiwela umgwaqo, ngangayibheki nokuyibheka imoto ezizayo ngoba ngangifuna ukungena nje emgwaqweni imoto zingishayise ngife because of the situation, because of ipain engangizwa. Kodwa uNkulunkulu wathi not this time, I still have something for you. Iyodwa into eyayingibambile ukuthi ngingayibule ngoba I even wanted to kill myself. But ngangithi mangiyibulala ngiyoya esihogweni ngeke ngiyezulu ngoba ngiyibulalile. And that's the only thing that kept me from committing suicide. But the Lord was watching over me. And the Lord intervened and he used this brother wangihlalisa kubo. Ngadla kubo, they gave me everything. Ngoba uNkulunkulu bafowethu uyangenelela. uNkulunkulu uya-intervene. Asikho isimo uNkulunkulu angangeneleli kuso. Uma ngenela kimina, when everything was dark, everything was upside down, when I was hopeless, I remember ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ngingenakudla, I would wait for ama-Saturdays. Mase kuthi ekseni ngivuke ngihambe ngiyobheka ukuthi likuphi itende limile ngalelo langa, makunomncwabo mase kuwo 1 sekubuye emathuneni bese ngiyangena nami ngoba ngase ngazi ukuthi kuzodliwa. Mawungangibuza ukuthi ubani oshonile la ekhaya, kukwabani la ekhaya, ngangeke ngikutshele ngoba ngangifuna ukungena nje. Mase kudliwa mase nami ngithola ukudla ngizokudla, because I had nothing to eat. But the Lord that we serve intervened. Ngoba uNkulunkulu ongenelelayo. Ngiyacela nawe namhlanje ungithumele i-voice note and share with us ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngeke ngambona engenelele esimeni sami. Just share that testimony for someone who might be going through the same situation. Namhlanje ngiyaphila ngoba uNkulunkulu wangenelela. Ukube ngayibulala ngo-2012 ngabe ngiumlando kanti uNkulunkulu had something for me. Share with us that testimony. You can help someone who is going through the same circumstances. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangenelela, wangenelela kimi la. Wangenelela kimi la. Wangenelela kimi la. Just share with us 073-709-1991. uNkulunkulu ongenelelayo. Thumelela voice note yakho noma usifonele ku 086 1010 300. Ngambona nkwanyana uNkulunkulu kimi engenelela ngalokho.